You might be wondering, why use a top-up machine instead of the wallet app? Let me share my experience in Japan when I almost ran out of balance and needed to reload my mobile IC card. And I'll also highlight the only one challenge you might encounter when using a top-up machine. There were two situations where I had to rely on a machine to top up. 1. Bank card issues. My mobile app top-up was declined or the payment was incomplete. It could be due to my bank restricting overseas transactions after detecting usage in a new location even after my last visit, even if I have already activated the overseas usage function. 2. Using extra cash. I had some spare yen and preferred to top up with cash rather than using my card. The process is straightforward and simple. 1. Find the right machine. Look for an IC card charge machine with mobile reader supported. 2. Place your phone. Position your mobile device on the platform reader. 3. Select language if necessary. Choose your preferred language for easier navigation. 4. Insert cash. Feed your any amount into the machine. Select top-up amount. Pick how much you want to add. 6. Wait for processing. The machine will automatically top up your mobile Suica. And that's it! Your mobile Suica is now ready to use for transportation, dining, and shopping all across Japan. Remember, this also applies to any physical IC card too. Just place it inside the platform reader. The main challenge you might face is finding an IC card charge machine that supports mobile readers. In major cities like Tokyo and Osaka, these machines are widely available. However, in more rural areas, they can be extremely difficult, if not impossible to find. To avoid any inconvenience, be sure to top up your mobile wallet before traveling to remote regions in Japan. And remember when I mentioned my bank card was declined? There's actually a quick and easy solution. I simply messaged my bank through the banking app, and they immediately lifted the restriction, allowing me to top up my mobile IC card seamlessly throughout my stay in Japan. But if somehow this doesn't work for you, you can always top up with the charged machine that supports the mobile reader. I hope this video helps make topping up your Suica card in Japan easier and stress-free. Wishing you a safe and smooth journey.